It's just the thought that if you have the intelligence to go through law school, you could pretty much do anything. And law is one thing to do, but there's so many other things to do.
So true.
Yeah. And it is so easy to get pigeonholed in the law because it's so vast. You have to specialize to some degree in order to be competent enough to practice. Yeah. And that makes it even harder to leave, right? People just shut that idea down in themselves a lot of the time. Right. They're like, well, I have no experience in it. No one's going to take me. You can learn.
Absolutely. Yeah. And you can like zoom out on your expertise and think, how can I apply this elsewhere? Yeah. You have a lot of powerful skill sets that you can apply in other careers, even though it feels like there's only one path for you.
So Neil and I have been talking a lot one-on-one with people who will come to our site who are users. And I think some of the hardest calls are when people don't have sort of a passion or a love or a direction they want to go in.
Yeah.
If money were no issue, which of course it is, what are the kinds of things you'd like to do? And then how can you maybe pivot that back around to a path for a business situation?
I know people have a lot more in their heads than they think. Even if you're feeling like, oh, I really don't know. I don't have any passions. I don't have any interests. I don't have any hobbies. When you start asking someone, okay, well, tell me about the tasks that at least you don't hate in this job, previous jobs.
Exactly.
What do you do on your time off? What are the things that you want to stay away from that you never want to do again? Being open to the idea that you can find a path that is going to work for you, I think is important.
Yep.